Well, peace, y'all. We're back out at Green Acres out here in China Township, Michigan. It's the 18th of August. It's Friday. I don't know what's going on. I think I'm fighting a little. I think I'm starting to go under the weather, kind of thing. I got the body aches. Last night I left about 5. I left a little early and just I wasn't really feeling it. When me and Chuck come out, we brought all the wood for the mezzanine. All the hardware and stuff is here. I wanted to get this back room cleaned up and get ready to be moving, anything. If we can move into there for holding, until things get straightened out. And me and Chuck were sitting out in the trailer, and it was forecast to rain, and we felt a drop here and a drop there. We were sitting out there for a while, and I told him, I said, man, I'm not feeling it. I'm not, I don't know if I'm just worn out, worn down, a little weary from out here and back every day, and screws and rods in the back, the shoulders giving me trouble, all of it, man. Hips, knees, soles, heels, and balls of my feet. My knees from balancing myself on the step ladder and using my knee without any padding or anything. Yeah, it's starting to take its toll, and I was a little concerned, so I went home last night and took a nice hot shower and took a couple Tylenol, some vitamin C, that kind of thing, and felt better when I woke up this morning. But the longer I was awake, the more not hot eyeballs, but you know what I mean. You can feel it coming. You can feel the stiffness in your neck and in the top of your shoulders. Just everything's starting to ache. I don't have a sore throat, but I mean, you can almost taste it coming, right? So I don't know what I'm going to do. The idea was today's Friday. I was going to get out here in the afternoon. I'm way late. It's probably 2 o'clock at least by now. I wanted to be out here about 11 or 12 o'clock at the latest. Got all this scraped, the hard stuff. I'm guessing it's like sawdust I guess like sawdust mixed with oil dry or kitty litter. This was a great big dog house back here for the tank. The tanks you can't get past or in between even a dog. A mouse maybe, but not a dog. And where the dark stuff was some thick, they probably pissed or crapped there, and that stuff was dried up and it was on the floor, and I had to scrape it up and vacuum it up, and I think that's maybe why I'm feeling like I got sick. Although I kind of been having this feeling a little bit for the past 2 or 3 days, but I'm vacuuming and the vacuum would get clogged, and no gloves on, you stick your hand down here and you poke your finger in there and send the stuff through the hose, and then God only knows if I went like this or something, I don't know, but we got it all scraped up and cleaned up. I want to get the 5-gallon bucket with we got the dry soap we're going to use, and the scrub brush on a pole, and I'm pretty sure this stuff is going to come nice clean. Just it's going to look like some of the stains may not go away, but most of this orange or sawdust looking stuff will be gone. I just don't know if I'm feeling up to it right now. I vacuumed off the whole top of all the tanks, the sides and everything. Still got to do that side yet. Vacuum up some spider webs, get things cleaned off. I bought a mop. I bought a mop. The old Libman mop. Tornado mop, right? Just to mop off the top of these tanks, because we got the dust off, but I want them good and clean. I want this area, if we start with it clean, we keep it clean, I think we're going to be able to keep the critters and the bugs and stuff out of here. Once they realize we're in here and there's traffic and stuff, spiders, I mean, I'll just suck them up with the vacuum cleaner, man, whatever. But the mice, well, yeah, we'll end up tearing them up. Granted, it's the country, and they're more than welcome to live outdoors all they want. They start coming in here, and I'm going to whack them. Can't deal with that. So that's all there is to it. We want to get everything cleaned up on that side yet. But I think, like I said, we're going to go ahead and I feel good enough, I think, to go ahead and at least start. And if it starts doing its job, I'll probably be motivated to do the whole floor. So we'll pull the filter off, empty the shop vac, pull the filter off, put the wet filter on to suck it all up. Then we can just take the garden hose and the sprayer and just spray it down a bit and then suck it up again. And then we'll get the big fans that we bought from Harbor Freight blowing across here and we'll get it dried up real quick. So that's what we're gonna do for today, the 18th. I'm spending the night tonight, staying all day tomorrow, spending Saturday night as well. Sunday night, knock wood. God willing, as long as I'm not sick, we're hoping to get this place cleaned up. The top mop cleaned, the other side vac'd, mopped, cleaned. Everything back in this whole area done. Maybe even hang a light or two. We did change the light bulbs to iridescence. You know, with the Obama law, no more good light bulbs. Switching everything to LEDs, which make you stupid and blind and mess with your head. Expect nothing less from those fruitcakes. Went down to the lumberjack supply store and they had them for 50% off. So I started buying up a whole bunch of those iridescent floodlights. So that's what we got going. I just wanted to show you what the floor looks like right now, and then we'll bring you back probably tomorrow and show you the dry version of how all this looks. It already looks 100% better, but we're working on it. We're fighting the bug, but we're working on it. So, Godspeed, God bless, hang in there. We're gonna have to call the water guy soon and have him come out and pump us full of water. Godspeed, God bless y'all. We're praying for you.